This is the xrumerprojectcreator and scheduler creator. This is two applications designed to help you generate project files for xrumer, and then a basic schedule.xml file for xrumer as well. So if you've ever been struggling to make project files and then load those into xrumer on a schedule, then this application will probably help you. First of all, this program can help you generate all of your project files you need for all of your URLs and all of your keywords with press of a button after you set it up with your data. So I'll show you how that works. I'll go over the project creator first. And if you're unfamiliar or you're new to xrumer, xrumer manages your URLs and your project specific data in an XML file. So each project will be project name.xml, and it's a simple XML file that has tags and then data. So the project creator takes a template I've made of that project file and then merges it with your data, like your project name, all of your emails, homepage, which is your URLs and your keywords, and then generates a project file. So I'll show you XML template.txt. This looks just like a regular xrumer project file source code, but modified. So project name, tag, and then ending tag, and then in the middle is a placeholder I've put here. The placeholders, most like project name and email, you'll probably keep where it is. You can actually switch homepage where you want, or keyword where you want, and you can use multiple places. So you could put keyword right here in occupation and interests if you really wanted to, and that's kind of powerful. Or you could put file links right here. So I have this project template the way I want, and so when you first get this application, what I would do is go through this and edit it to what you want. So put your path if you use a usernames.txt, or replace this with gennick. You change the email login to your catch-all, or to your Gmail. Email pop to the pop account. You could change the cities to a different file, change your country or whatever you want, and then once you got your categories and all that, everything set up the way you want, you edit the other files. So these are what I call the data files. This application is very simple. These files are all synced together. In other words, keyword 1 or line 1 of keywords file would match the first line of the project file, which would match the first email, which would match this. So line 1 across all of this would generate one project file. And so since I have 4 lines in each of these files, it generates 4 project files. So let's say I give it a list of 100 URLs right here. So I just keep going until I have 100 lines. And then I give it 100 keywords, even spin tags if I want. And you can also use spin tags homepage. If I did that, I would have 100 project files. And once you have all your data set up, and say you have 35 sites, you have 35 lines, you would end up with 35 files. So I'm going to open up the application and show you how it generates them. Here's the application, and it has the XML template, which is what you edited to start with to fit your needs, project name, home page, which is your URLs, all of your emails, and your keywords. I click process, tells me where it put them in the same directory. I open these up. You can see that it took the project name right here, the 4th one, articles to link. It put it right here, and it also named the file articles to link.xml. It placed the correct email, line 4, which matches that. And then it put the correct home page, which is domain 4, the same one, and then the keywords. So it matches everything and all of these XML files are done the right way. The syntax is entered correctly. Everything is in the right syntax, and these will load right up in xrumer, and you could be used right away. So I mean, this is so simple. I mean, you just give this application a list of your URLs, the list of your keywords, and it makes those files for you. It does all the work. So now I'm going to show you how I generate my schedule.xml file. I take the project name, contents, and I go to the scheduler creator. I usually open up Excel and I put in my projects and I sort. Okay, and the scheduler creator works like this. It takes whatever text file you have, and in this case I've used project names.txt, and it takes your project names and then takes a template, which is this, and then copies the first one, puts it right here, and then goes on and then copies this entire thing and does it again. But not only does it do that, it increments these numbers. So this would become 2, and this would become 3, and so on. And so that saves all that work. And so I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I've told the application where my project names are and where my template is. It's a good idea to save the template because it'll overwrite it. I've provided some extra template files. You click process, and you can see that template.xml just changed. You open it up, and it puts it in. So you can see it starts with the first one, articles to link, project 1, project 2, project 3, puts it all in the right format. So what I usually do is I just remove the blank line since it puts these here, and I've tried to fix that but it doesn't work. Open up this, which is begin-end.txt. Copy this here. And then right here. And so now you have a fully done schedule file, and you would rename this schedule.xml, place it in the main xrumer directory, put all of your project files that this generated into the projects folder, open up xrumer, go to the scheduler, tick enable, double click the second entry, and boom, it'll start up. It'll go through all of these and take whatever is in your links list file and blast away. You change xrumer to whatever settings you want, and it does it for all of them. So it's very powerful and saves a lot of time. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. You can buy my application on the SEO Bay, the Botmaster Forum, or XR Chat. Thanks for watching.